Hello children, welcome back to calculus. Last class we studied linear pair axiom and vertically opposite angles. That is linear pair axiom, that is the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree and two lines intersect each other, the vertically opposite angles formed are equal. In this session we will do the exercises, that is exercise 6.1. First question. A figure is given and in this figure line AB and CD intersect, that is this line and this line intersect at O. If AOC plus BOE, that is BOE, that is this angle and this angle is 70 degree and angle BOD, this angle is 40 degree. And AOC, this angle, plus BOE, this angle, that is these two angles, the sum is 70 degree, it is given, and BOE is 40 degree. We want to find out BOE, this angle. Then the reflex of angle COE, that is for finding the reflex of any angle, that is the complete angle, we know that 360 degrees. So we want to find out the reflex of angle, that is the 360 minus that angle, then we get the reflex of that angle. So whatever it is given, that we can write, given what is AB and CD intersect at O, and also angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree and angle BOD equal to 40 degree. Then to prove, that is find angle BOE and reflex of angle COE. Then we can prove, it is proof. First we can write angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree, it is given. Then angle BOD equal to 40 degree, that also given. Then here listen, angle BOD 40 degree, this angle is 40 degree, and what about this angle? This angle and this angle are vertically opposite angles, that is AB and CD intersect at O, then angle BOD and angle AOC are vertically opposite angles. So we can write angle AOC equal to angle BOD, that is vertically opposite angles. Instead of angle AOC we can write angle BOD, angle BOD plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree. Then angle BOD is 40 degree, it is given. So 40 degree plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree. From this angle BOE equal to 70 degree, this going right side minus 40 degree, that we get 30 degree, that is angle BOE, this angle is 30 degree. Angle BOE we find out, then reflex angle COE, that is COE, reflex of this angle. For that we find out angle COE. So this angle we get 30 degree. Then in the figure listen, angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle EOB, that is these three angles together form, we get 180 degree, that is these three angles, the measure of these three angles makes this straight line, that is the measure of a straight line is 180 degree, that we know. So we can write angle AOC, this angle, then plus next angle COE plus angle EOB equal to 180 degree. That is AB is a straight line and its measure is 180 degrees. So AOC plus EOE plus EOB. Then AOC, we know that AOC is 40 degree. So 40 degree plus COE, that we want to find out, COE plus EOB, that is 30 degree, that equal to 180 degree. 40 plus 30, 70, that is angle COE plus 70 degree equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle COE equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree, which is equal to 110 degree. Then therefore reflex of angle COE equal to 360 minus 110 degree, that is 250 degree. Clear? Second question, in the figure lines XY and MN intersect at O. If POY, that is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and A is to be A and B is to B is 2 is to 3, then find C. We can write whatever it is given. Given XY and MN intersect at O, then angle POY equal to 90 degree, and A is to B equal to 2 is to 3. It is given. Then to prove, what is to prove? That is find C. Then proof, A is to B equal to 2 is to 3. So let A equal to 2x, B equal to 3x. A is to B is in the ratio 2 is to 3. So we can write A equal to 2x and B equal to 3x. In this figure, angle XOP is angle XOP plus angle POY equal to 180 degree, that is linear pair. Therefore angle XOP is equal to 180 degree minus POY. POY is 90 degree. 90, that equal to 90 degree. That is this angle POX angle is 90 degree, that is A and B. A plus B equal to 90 degree. Here A is 2x. 2x plus 3x equal to 90 degree. That is 5x equal to 90 degree. X equal to 90 divided by 5, that is 1 times 5, then 40, 18. So 18 degree. Therefore angle XOM, angle XOM, that equal to B equal to 3x, which is equal to 3 into 18 degree. 18 3s are 54. 54 degree. And angle MOP, MOP, which is equal to A, that equal to 2x, that is 2 into 18 degree, which is equal to 36 degree. This MN is a line and OX is a ray. Then MOX and XON form a linear pair. So we can write angle MOX, angle MOX plus this angle plus this angle, angle XON, angle XON, that equal to 180 degree, that is linear pair. Then MOX, that is B, then plus XON, that is C, equal to 180 degree. From here C equal to 180 minus B, B we get 54 degree, that is 6 126 degree. Therefore we get C is equal to 126 degree. Third question, in the figure angle PQR, that is this angle, angle PQR, this angle equal to angle PRQ, this angle. So these two angles are equal. Then prove that angle PQS, that is PQS, this angle, and PRT, this angle. We want to prove that these two angles are equal. Given angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. Then prove that. To prove what? Angle PQS equal to angle PRT. Then proof. First, then in the figure we can write angle PQS plus angle PQR equal to 180 degree. Why? These two forms a linear pair, that is this angle and this angle are adjacent angles. So these two sum is 180 degree. That is angle PQS plus angle PQR equal to 180 degree. That is linear pair. Then also angle PRQ plus angle PRT, there also 180 degree. That is angle PRT plus this angle PRQ equal to 180 degree. This also the reason is linear pair. And this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So these two right side are 180 degrees, so left side we can equate. From 1 and 2, angle PQS plus angle PQR, that equal to angle PRT plus angle PRQ. PQS equal to PRT, that is PQS and PRT. These two angles are equal. We can cancel. So angle PQS equal to angle PRT. These two cancel, that is given angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. So these two we can cancel, then we get angle PQS, that is PQS equal to angle PRT. Okay, fourth question. In the figure, if S plus Y is equal to W plus Z, that is this plus this equal to this plus this, then prove that AOB, that is this, is a line. So given S plus Y equal to W plus Z, then to prove AOB is a line, then proof. From the figure we can write S plus Y plus Z plus W, which is equal to 360 degree, that is a complete angle. So from the figure, X plus Y plus Z plus W equal to 360 degree, that is complete angle. S plus Y, that is this we can separate in this way, S plus Y together, then Z plus W together, that equal to 360 degree. Then S plus Y, then instead of W plus Z we can write S plus Y. So S plus Y plus S plus Y, that equal to 360 degree, that is 2 into S plus Y equal to 360 degree, then S plus Y equal to 360 degree divided by 2, which is equal to 180 degree. That is these two angles, the sum is 180 degree, then AB is a straight line. Therefore AB is a line, that is straight line measure. That is S plus Y is equal to 180 degree, then this forms, that is AB form a line. Okay. Question number 5. In the figure POQ, that is POQ is a line. Ray OR, this ray is perpendicular to line PQ. So this angle here 90 degree and here also 90 degree. Then OS is another ray, that is this, another ray lying between rays OR and OP. Prove that angle ROS, that is ROS, this angle is equal to half into angle QOS minus angle POS. So first we can write given. What is given? POQ is a line, then OR is perpendicular to PQ. Then OS is another ray lying between, that is OS lying between rays OP and OR. These are given. Then to prove angle ROS equal to half into angle QOS minus angle POS. Then proof. Then given OR perpendicular to PQ, that is given OR perpendicular to PQ, OR perpendicular to PQ. So we can write angle POR, that equal to angle ROQ, which is equal to 90 degree. QOS, this angle QOS, that is QOR, angle QOR plus angle ROS. Angle QOS equal to angle QOR plus angle ROS, that is QOR is equal to angle POR. So we can write angle QOS, that equal to angle QOR. Instead of ROQ is same as QOR. So instead of QOR we can write angle POR plus angle ROS. Then from here POR, that can be written as POS plus SOR. So that equal to angle POR can be written as POS, angle POS plus angle SOR, angle ROS plus this angle ROS. Then that equal to angle POS plus ROS to angle ROS. Then from here this is angle QOS. From here we can write 2 angle ROS equal to this coming here, that is angle QOS minus angle POS. Clear? Then therefore angle ROS equal to angle QOS minus angle POS divided by this 2, then which implies angle ROS equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Hence proved, that is half of angle QOS minus angle POS, that equal to angle ROS. Clear? Then the last question, it is given that angle XYZ equal to 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. So angle XYZ. So we can draw angle XYZ. That is X, then Y, then Z. That is 64 degree. Use scale you draw. And XY is produced, this XY when we produced to point P, this is the point P. Draw a figure from the given information. So we can draw in this way. If ray OQ bisects ZYP, angle ZYP is this angle, and ray OQ bisects, so in this way we can draw, that is YQ. This ray bisects this angle, so we can write ZYQ equal to QYP. These two angles are equal. Then find XYQ, this angle. Then reflex of QYP. So QYP we get, then reflex of QYP is 360 minus angle QYP. So first we can write given. What is given? angle XYZ equal to 64 degree. Ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. This is given. Then to prove, what to prove? Find angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. Then proof. It is given angle XYZ equal to 64 degrees. So from the figure, we can write angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ plus angle QYP equal to 180 degree, because this XP is a line, so straight line measure. So angle ZYQ plus QYP, these two are equal, because given that YQ bisects this ZYP. So from that we can write angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ plus angle QYP. Instead of QYP we can write again angle ZYQ equal to 180 degree. That is angle ZYQ equal to angle QYP. Since ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. That is, this ray bisects this angle, so ZYQ equal to QYP, that we write. Then angle XYZ plus, both are same, so 2 into angle ZYQ equal to 180 degree. Then angle XYZ, it is given 64. So 64 degree plus 2 angle ZYQ equal to 180 degree. Therefore 2 angle ZYQ equal to 180 degree minus 64 degree, that equal to 116 degree. Therefore angle ZYQ equal to 116 degree divided by 2, that is 5 times then 8 times 58 degree. That is ZYQ, this angle is 58 degree. Then we want to find out angle XYQ. So this is 64, this is 58. Therefore angle XYQ, that we want to find out XYQ is equal to XYZ, angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ, which is equal to 64 plus 58, 64 degree plus 58 degree, which is equal to 8 plus 4 12, 6 plus 5 11, so 122 degree. That we get angle XYQ equal to 122 degree. Then we want to find out the reflex of QYP. Then QYP is 180 minus 120. Therefore angle QYP equal to 180 minus 122 degree, that is 58 degree. Then reflex angle QYP, that equal to 360 minus 58 degree, that equal to 203, that is 302 degree. That is angle XYQ equal to 122 degree and the reflex angle QYP is equal to 302 degree. So this exercise is over. Then you study well this portion, then it will become very easy. Then the next class we will continue this lesson. Then if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.